In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in Slack. By the end, you'll be able to confidently present your screen to teammates right inside a Slack conversation using a quick huddle. First, open your browser and go to app.slack.com. If you're not already signed in, sign into your workspace so you land on your Slack home. For the smoothest screen sharing, it helps to close extra tabs or apps you don't need and make sure your browser has permission to share your screen. If a permission prompt appears later, allow it so others can see your content. Next, choose the place where you want to present. Click into the channel or direct message that includes the people you want to share with. Picking the right conversation keeps the discussion, notes, and links in one spot alongside your screen share. Click on the message box at the bottom of that conversation. This simply activates the channel and helps bring up the controls you'll use, so everything you do next applies to this specific conversation. It's also a good moment to type a quick note like starting a huddle to share my screen so everyone knows what's about to happen. Now start a huddle. Look for the huddle control in the Slack interface. It's represented by a small headphone icon and the option to start a huddle in the current conversation. Click it to open an audio first space where you can talk and present without leaving Slack. Your teammates can join instantly from the same channel or message. When the huddle opens, click into the huddle interface to make sure you've joined it. You'll see the huddle panel appear, showing your mic status and participant list. If needed, mute or unmute yourself from here so people can hear you clearly. This confirms you're in the huddle and ready to present. Finally, click Share Your Screen in the huddle panel. Your browser or desktop app will prompt you to choose what to share. Your entire screen, a specific application window, or a single browser tab. Select the option that best fits what you want your audience to see, then confirm. Before you share, quickly scan your screen for any notifications or sensitive items and close them. If you're sharing a tab, consider enabling Share Tab Audio if you need sound. While presenting, move your cursor deliberately and zoom in when necessary so details are easy to follow. If participants say the view is small, switching to an app window or full screen can help. That's it. Your screen is now visible to everyone in the huddle within that Slack conversation.